The distinguished panel, to the members of this community, the faculty, alumni, students, and friends. I am greatly honored to be standing here today with an institution that is recognized for its academic excellence and intellectual rigor. I am an honorary alumni, as I was bestowed a Doctor of Laws last year by the university. And this doctorate has a very special meaning for me, because it ties me to this university, this highly regarded alumni community, and to the core values and principles that the university imparts. While this reception honors each and every one of you, it is more than just a celebration of your own achievements. It is an opportunity to reflect on your continued role and responsibility, because you were educated not only to succeed, but to carry forward standards into spaces where standards matter. Today, we are all reminded by the speeches we have heard how education is not just about achievement, but it is a responsibility, especially those who have the privilege of being educated from such a globally recognized institution. We all know and understand that education does not end with graduation. It continues through contribution, through service, through professional, civic, and personal life. To an alumna, it is to assume a continuing obligation to the institution's education, its values. So all of you are not just passive members of the university's history, but are responsible for carrying foundation to help shape the future of others as leaders or through your conduct, through your engagement, through your deliberations, discourse, and discussion. Universities play an important role in the life of a nation. They don't just knowledge. They create spaces where ideas are tested, where critical thinking is cultivated, where leadership is prepared, and more important, where people are skilled and prepared for their future. As alumni of this university, you are now leaders in law, leaders in education, leaders in public service, in business, in technology, and the list is endless. You influence perceptions, you influence values, and how we are recognized as people, as a community, and as a nation. So think of your responsibilities and think of the legacy you wish to leave behind. To the young members, the fresh graduates of this gathering, you have a lot of energy and resolve. Be creative, be respectful, find purpose. I encourage you to remind and engage, to act with care in spaces where it matters, and to influence those and use your education to help build systems and serve the public good. Support those who follow, lead with responsibility. Make sure that your experience and your education makes a difference, not just in your life, but in the life of many others. Justice is not just confined to the courtroom. It is reflected in your home, at your workspace, in public spaces, and through the people. So it is reflected in the way we all coexist. This is the burden and responsibility that each and every one of us carry. At a time when the change is rapid and there are complex challenges, your contribution is necessary and relevant. As an educated community, you are not only agents of change, but you are the stabilizing force which shapes the way that we will look at our tomorrow.